What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to review and unbox $100 survival kit by GETREADYNOW. So there's a different type of them. I think I got the most expensive. So let's unbox it and see what they got. After this unboxing you can decide if this survival kit GETREADYNOW for 72 hours grab and go pack will be worth it or not, or should you guys buy it and build your own. So first of all, there's a carabiner with a rubber band, whistle, loud, flashlight, very nice LED 3 LED flashlight. I like that. That is really easy to grab it, or don't even take it off. Put it anywhere you want to. First of all, we got right here dry bag and whole bunch of stuff inside of it. Backlight, Nova USB, solar lantern. What's so special about this thing? Let me show you guys. Looks like it's already been charging because I left it on the sun. You can open this up and guess what? You can inflate it and it's floatable. This is perfect for the boat. You charge it up, then also you can recharge it with the USB as well. Actually you can charge up your cell phone opposite. That's cool. And there you go. There's few moods and it packs away really nicely. Okay, couple of tissues. Those are worth nothing, they cost really cheap. Headlamp, very bright. Headlamp like that, really high quality, you can buy for 15 bucks easily at Walmart or whatever. Heat packs, in case it's cold you can warm yourself up. I think it's kind of useless. The best way to heat yourself up is start a fire. Hopefully there is a way. This side here, flashlights, a lot of flashlights they give you. There's 2 flashlights. Also they can be just like glow sticks. There's a little duct tape roll, red. What is this? Little towel, bandana. Also you can wear it like a scarf. That's cool. Pack of gloves. There's a little mask. Couple trash bags. Set of 4 AAA batteries. Oh, there you go. There's some survival food. You know what? I'm going to test this at the end. And there's some water. Wow, I can't believe. Did I pay 100 bucks for it? I think it's a little bit overpriced. There's a hoodie poncho, so when it's raining you pull this out. There's survival emergency blanket. One of those ones, they're really cheap too. I'm really disappointed with this thing. It looks so cool. Pack of band-aids. I like this package, but again, cheap stuff. You can get all that stuff really easily. And I never seen this kind of water, so I do like survival kits to take them out, see what they're all about. Sometimes I can find inside of them something special that I never seen before. So this emergency drinking water, they're just a little bit taller and skinnier, so this is just a different brand. And you have a whole bunch of them. I'll wash it down with this food. And there's one more thing I think in there. This is pretty much a Ziploc holder for cell phone or whatever. Honestly, in my opinion, I don't think it's worth $100. And the whole point of survival kits, whenever you buy a bundle, it's supposed to be cheaper than the actual, if you're going to buy all this item yourself. I never seen survival kit without a knife or fire starter. They're like, you don't need a fire. You have heat warmers. This is funny. You don't need fire. You don't have to cook this food. This is one of those bars. I don't even have a knife to open it. This is why I'm disappointed. Okay, there you go. There's a little slit right here. This is how you open it. And this is one of these bars. I never tested this kind before. This is the bread food ration. This is very high calorie. You only eat, I don't know, half a day, and it will supposed to last you a long time. This is the point, not to get really filled up, just to get something in your stomach to keep your body going. But let's see how it tastes like. This one is actually really delicious. I have put to the test the same kind, but the Russian one, it was a lot more greasy, I would say, and less sweet. This one tastes like cookie. That taste is actually really good. Just be careful with that. Oh wait, it says it's only 400 calories per bar, so you're only supposed to eat, I guess, 1 bar breakfast, lunch, dinner, so that way you can keep going. It's only lasts you for 3 days. That's why they said 72 hours. It would be helpful if I had a really nice gadget, survival gadget called knife, because it's really hard to open this. Probably hurting my teeth. Yep, tastes like drinking water. I do like the water packages. This is my favorite. I still like making this kind of videos, so you guys actually see what you get in those survival packages or survival kits. When you decide to buy something, maybe you're like, oh, that looks really cool, and then we unbox it, maybe not so much. Maybe you actually still enjoy it and you can still buy it. But some of them survival kits are really awesome. So anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.